Hi, good afternoon. This is the demo video for Sentinel Bubble Tea software, which we specially designed for the bubble tea shop. I'll quickly show you all the main features of the bubble tea software. So once you have a touch screen, you can double tap on the icon to open it. Obviously, I'm making this video on my computer, so I'm using the mouse, but you will be using the touch screen. You can create different password for your staff members. You can create multiple staff members account. So on the receipt, customer can see who served the customer. So you can assign them different code. Also, if you want, you can give staff members the employee card or key fob. They can quickly just touch the card and log in into the system, or they can just type in key in the password to log in into the system. So at the moment the password is 123456. As soon as you click the password, it will bring you to the main order taking page. On the order taking page on the left hand side, you can make all your categories. If you want, you can move these categories on the top as well, so the layout can be changed slightly. It's got all the bubble tea features. So let's say if we take mango bubble tea, it will ask first regular or large. So if I click regular, then it will ask the eye temperature, so 50%, 100%, 100%, then sweet level 50%. Then if customer want any extra topping, and then this is the extra topping, which is a paid one. So one topping comes free in 380, and this is a paid topping. So if customer don't want paid topping, you can close it. If customer want any milk options like soya milk or dairy milk, you can choose the soya milk, let's say, and then it will finish the order as well. It will automatically show the formula on the top here for the receipt as well. And then once you finish the order, you press finish. And then if customer is paying cash, you press cash. If it's paying by credit card, you press credit card. It's integrated with our card terminals as well. So once you press the credit card, you don't need to key in this amount into the card machine. It goes automatically to the card machine as well. So now we press cash. It will open some pop-up screen now because the printer is not attached. So that's why it will open this pop-up screen. But once the printer is attached, there will be no pop-up screen coming. So it's very easy to use. Again, I'll show you what's coming on the back screen, the screen that facing the customer. So at the moment, if you see the back screen, is showing nothing on the back screen. As soon as I start press mango, the first question is regular large. So if I see the back screen now, in the back screen is asking size regular or large. So if I click there regular, then on the back screen now it's asking ice or hot, so it's showing the temperature, ice blended and everything on the back screen. So you click 50%. Now if I go into the back screen, it's asking for the sweet level, so it's asking sweetness level. And then if I click the sweetness level on the main screen, so this is the main screen, now it will ask for the topping. So it shows all the topping to customer, and it's asking for the topping as well. So on the back screen, it will ask all the questions, and then once you're happy with the order, at the moment I'm not going to print because there's no printer attached, and this time is credit card, so I'll press credit card, and it will finish the order and print two receipt, one for the customer, one for the kitchen. If you want, you can print the kitchen label as well, so label you can stick on the glass as well. I'll quickly show you how the labels, how the kitchen receipt and the customer receipt will look like. So this is how the kitchen receipt will look like. If you want to print the kitchen receipt, obviously it's not going to be this wide because you will print on the 80 printer. So it will be like this wide, and then it will show the formula on the top, and then all the contents, and then the order number, date and time, and who took the order and everything. So this is the receipt for the kitchen. And then this is the receipt for the customer. So on the customer receipt, you can display your logo on the top, your shop address, and then the order name and the total amount, cash, change, everything. And you can put any thank you message on the bottom as well. Again, this receipt is not going to be this wide because it will print. So it will be like this wide receipt, like this. Uh, like this is going to be receipt. So this is how the receipt look like. You can also print the labels if you. So labels is you can print the sticker label and you can stick it on a glass, so it will print individual item on the receipt. So let's say if you're taking kiwi with a regular 50% ice, 25 sweetness, and then pop, and then you're taking one strawberry large, 50% ice, 50% sweet, and no topping, and then it will print two label, one for this one and then one for this one as well. The one of the good feature in our software is Once customer, you taking a customer order, for example, customer told you I want 50% ice, and later he changed in his mind, or he's saying no, I don't want 25% sweet, I want 50% sweet. In all other UK software, you have to usually delete the whole product like this, and then take the order again. But in our software, you can edit it, and then you can change anything. So for example, if customer is changing anything in temperature, he want to change it to 100%, you can click delete 50% and click on 100%, and it will be added as a 100% temperature as well. So it's already in the software. You don't have to take the whole order again. It will, you can, and also you can write any notes here. So for example, you want to write separate, so the notes are there. You can write as a note separate on a customer receive in the kitchen. So all the notes will go in the kitchen as well. Once you are closing the shop at the end of the day, you have access to all the reports. You can even see the reports from your mobile phone. So the reports are, all you need to do is go to managers, and in the manager you can see report section. You have X report, Z report, date wise report. You want to see sales by product, so you want to see which product is selling more, how many bubble tea mango you sold, how many kiwi you sold. So you can see all the, so kiwi you sold one, mango you sold three. So you can see all the reports, and you can see sales report as well. So how much is the total sale, how much is the cash sale, how much is the card sale, is all the figures are here as well. And you can access these figures from the mobile phone as well. You can also see top selling product, underperforming product, hourly sales, sales by staff member, VAT collected if you are VAT registered, stock, low level stock. So all the options are there as well. Making, there's a formula sheet here where you can define all the formulas. So for example, mango, regular, 0% ice, you can write your formula here for the receipt. So it will show all the formulas here, and then you can program all the formulas, and later you can change all the formulas yourself. If you want to change something, you can easily just change the formula as well. Adding product, again, very easy. All you need to do, for example, if you want to add something in mocktail, for, you just press the add button, you write the product name, you give the price, and then you press save. So it's very easy. You can add product yourself. We don't restrict you or hide any password. You can keep all the password, and you can change yourself. In the order list, you can have all the order lists. You can see all the previous order, reprint any order, issue refund, send text messages to customer. So all the features are there. Also, this software is integrated with kitchen screen. So rather than printing the sticker, if you want a kitchen screen installed in your premises, we can install a kitchen screen, which will be an additional cost. And in the kitchen screen, you can show all the orders, and which orders are getting late, and what are the order contents. You can see everything in the kitchen screen. Also, you can link this software with the customer order status screen. Like when you go to the McDonald's, in the McDonald's, they show you which order is preparing, which order is ready. So we have both screens available as well. We also sell self-checkout kiosks. So if you want a self-checkout kiosk like McDonald's, where customer come on, they have a big screen in front of them and they place an order themselves, we can do the self-checkout kiosk as well. So if you're interested in any of these screen, like kitchen screen, order status screen, or self-checkout kiosk, then let me know and I'll quote you accordingly. We need to check few things with you first before quoting you, but roughly the kitchen screen is about between 3 to 600 pound, depend what kind of screen you want. The customer order status screen again is between 3 to 600 pound. The self-checkout kiosk that fixed fit on a ground like McDonald's is about 2400 pound, where customer can place an order themselves, and then it will be printed in the kitchen automatically or come to the kitchen screen automatically as well. So I hope you like the software. And if you want to remove this button, like obviously in the bubble tea, if you don't do delivery, dine-in or collection, then you don't need to use it. But if you are doing delivery, then when the phone rings, it will show the telephone number here automatically. You press the delivery button, the number will come here automatically. You search the postcode and it will bring the address. At the moment, it's not linked with Google, but when you search the postcode, so for example EN118TH, and press find, it will get the address from Google automatically, and then show you the address, and even the distance from the Google as well, how far is the address from your shop. At the moment, because it's not connected with the Google, so it's giving this message. I can quickly connect and show you, just bear with me. Okay, so I've connected with the Google. So when the phone rings, at the moment I don't have a phone line connected with this computer, so I can't show you how the caller ID works. But when the phone rings, the computer will detect the telephone number and show the telephone number here automatically. You press delivery, the number will come here automatically, the customer number, and then you take the customer postcode. So for example, EN118TH. Press the find button, it will ask you for the door number. So let's say the door number is 11. Press proceed. It will get the address automatically, and it will also show you the distance from your shop. At the moment the shop address is in Stevenage, so that's why it's showing 15.8 miles from Horizon. You can see this on the map as well. If you want to see on the Google map direction, first time when you open the map it will ask you to sign this, obviously the agreement, and accept the agreement. But second time it will show the map straight away, and it will show everything on a map as well, how to go and how long it's going to take. And then you can charge your delivery charges either automatically here. So if you want to charge automatically, you need to tell us how much you charge for first 3 miles and then every additional mile, or how much you charge each mile, and it will calculate based on the distance. It will calculate the delivery charges automatically, or you can write the delivery charges manually yourself as well. You can write any notes and then you press save and take the order same way. So if you don't do delivery, we can remove this delivery collection button. If you don't do dine in, where you can take the table order, if customer is sitting on a table, you can assign a table to them, like table number one, table number two. So all the features are there. It's got all the features required for the bubble tea software. I can't think of any feature which is not available in this software. Obviously, for the YouTube video, I want to make it brief because there's a limit on a YouTube. I can't upload a 2 hour or 1 hour video on YouTube. Otherwise, it's got all the software. It's integrated with the card machines. It's integrated. Uh, so there are loads of integrations. It's integrated with Payment Sense card machine. It is integrated with our web portal. We also develop the website as well. So if you want website link with the ecosystem, we can develop and design your website where you can of the customer can place an order, and it will come to your till automatically and print out automatically, and then customer can come to your shop and collect. Also, we can do QR codes, so when customers at your shop, they can scan a QR code and then they will be redirected to your website where they can place an order, and they will collect from the shop. We also do signage screen for the bubble tea. So if you want TV screen to display your product or to display your prices, we do signage screens as well. It depends what kind of signage screen you want. If you want for indoor, is between 450 to 550, including bracket and the animated design. And brand new screen. If you want for outdoor, for example, facing outside on the front window where the screen will be facing the sun, you want ultra bright screen which is easily visible in the sun. We do provide ultra bright screen as well, but they are about 1800 1900 pound plus VAT, and they are very bright, like the ones they use on a bus stop or airports. So let me know, and then we'll see from there. Thank you very much.